HubSpot is one of the most well-known platforms in the world of customer relationship management, marketing automation, and sales enablement. Today, we're diving deep into what this SaaS solution offers, how it works, and whether it's the right choice for you. When you first log into HubSpot, you're greeted with a clean, intuitive dashboard that provides an overview of your marketing, sales, and service activities. The user interface is well organized, making it easy to navigate between different sections such as contacts, deals, marketing, and service. One of the standout features of HubSpot is its CRM, which allows businesses to manage contacts, track deals, and automate interactions. You can see every customer interaction in one place, whether it's an email, call, or meeting. The CRM seamlessly integrates with HubSpot's marketing tools, making it easy to nurture leads and convert them into customers. The automation features are particularly powerful, enabling users to set up workflows that streamline repetitive tasks like follow-up emails and lead assignments. Moving on to the marketing tools, HubSpot excels in inbound marketing. The platform provides a content management system, CMS, email marketing tools, and social media scheduling. Creating email campaigns is straightforward with HubSpot's drag-and-drop builder, and you can personalize messages using dynamic content based on customer behavior. SEO recommendations, blogging tools, and landing page builders further enhance your ability to attract and convert leads. For sales teams, HubSpot offers a robust set of tools, including email tracking, meeting scheduling, and pipeline management. The deal pipeline allows users to move prospects through different stages with a visual interface, and automated sequences help sales teams follow up with leads efficiently. The integration with Gmail and Outlook ensures that communication tracking happens automatically, making it easier to manage relationships. HubSpot's customer service tools include ticketing, live chat, and a knowledge base. The Service Hub allows businesses to provide better support by centralizing customer inquiries and automating responses. The chatbot feature is useful for handling common questions and routing inquiries to the right team members. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. One of the biggest advantages of HubSpot is its free CRM, which includes basic sales and marketing tools. However, the premium plans unlock more advanced features such as predictive lead scoring, marketing automation, and custom reporting. Pricing can be a concern for small businesses, as advanced features require upgrading to more expensive plans. HubSpot also integrates with a wide range of third-party tools, including Slack, Salesforce, Shopify, and Zapier, making it a flexible option for businesses with existing software ecosystems. The app marketplace provides hundreds of integrations to enhance functionality. Further, performance-wise, HubSpot is highly reliable, with excellent uptime and a responsive customer support team. Users can access live chat, email, and phone support, as well as a comprehensive knowledge base and community forum. Overall, HubSpot is a powerful all-in-one CRM and marketing automation platform that is well suited for businesses looking to streamline their sales, marketing, and customer service efforts. The free plan provides great value, and the paid plans unlock more advanced capabilities. However, businesses should consider the cost as they scale, as premium features can become expensive. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more in-depth software reviews and tech insights. Let me know in the comments if you've used HubSpot and what your experience has been like.